Dang, them boys is bright.
I need some for my car.
Ooh. Sheesh. Alright guys, so we have our LEDs right here. I was contacted by this company and they told me that they like the channel and like what's going on with the channel. So I was like, that's cool. The fact that a company reached out to me and would like me to advertise their products. So what we have today is Auxito LED lights. Heard nothing but good things with these guys. I've been doing a bunch of research on their LEDs and some videos and whatnot, and it seems pretty legit. These are for my 2020 Tiguan. Got our user manual and our LEDs. I did see a few boxes where they came with like gloves and whatnot, but I don't think we're really having to touch the bulbs and whatnot, so I think we'll be all right. Pretty straightforward. Two-sided LEDs. We'll see how much brighter they really are versus the regular halogens that are on the car. Not too sure if this is like just their base LEDs or whatnot. I'm not too sure. I haven't done much research in what they offer, but I do know that they have good reviews. So we're going to go ahead and install these on the Tiguan, and let's hope it's pretty straightforward. I'm assuming it is. It's a brand new car, so I'm assuming there won't be really any tools needed or any of that. So let's get to the car and get these things put in. Alright guys, so it's pretty straightforward with these. Obviously you have your brights on the left side right here in the inner, and then we have our lower beam. So of course it's going to be a little challenging to get to, but we can do it. I already tried popping this cap off right here and it fell. So we have to retrieve that later on, but I do have the cap off, and now I just got to look back there and see how these headlights are held in. It looks pretty basic though. I mean, if you look in there, it's just your basic bulb that's probably clamped in there, so should get it done pretty quickly. All right, so it's still kind of daylight out, but I figured I would try to do like a before shot of in-car view. All right, there's our LED running lights, and then here is headlights. As you see how yellow they are, I mean, they do look kind of white, but you can see they are kind of bright. It bothers me how yellow they are at night when everybody has white LEDs, so hopefully this is gonna change up the look a bit. We'll see. I see a motherboard of some sort, and then I see a clip. We're gonna try to figure this out together. So here's our plug, which I see. Oh, there it is. Oh wow, that was a little too simple. Okay, so here's our bulb. Should be able to just take it off. Oh wow, these have tabs. Can't say I've ever seen this before. There's one tab, and then here's another. Okay, so here's our halogen, and then here's our LED. Same thing, prongs. I don't know what I'm thinking. These are clips, so what I'm gonna do is unclip this. Works, right? There we go. We'll figure this out, right? Boom. All right, so Volkswagen is not difficult, and they just have some sort of bracketry that goes into the headlight that's going to help clip this to the actual clip. So it was my fault for overlooking this, but yeah, you got to remove this clamp slash bracket thing off of the halogen bulb. Okay. Now let's attempt to fit this thing. All right, there we have it installed. Can't really tell it's in there, but we're gonna turn them on and see. Boom. Way brighter. Dang, you can even see the color. So we have yellow on the left side, and then we have white on the right side. Look at that. Cool. Okay, so let's attempt to not lose this rubber cap. I'm definitely gonna have to retrieve it from the other one. Pull out, undo the clamp. She's a little warm. There we go. All right. See if you guys can see what I'm dealing with. Twist and lock. Oh, is that it? Is that it? Nope. Oh, is that it? Got him.
Got him.
She's locked in. Okay, now we gotta do this rubber grommet. All right, guys, and then once you're all done, just put your halogen bulbs back in there, close it up, and then call it a day. I will say it took me probably, I don't know, probably roughly 30 minutes, and that's because I dropped one of my rubber caps, and I was having difficulty with the brackets, but everything's so good. Everything is good so far. No flickering, no lights, or no lights on the dash or anything. So far we're good. I'm about to pull this thing out and see what it looks like outside. Alright guys, here's a little comparison of pulling into the garage. Oh yeah, they're definitely brighter. And nice crispy white. Definitely say I'm pretty satisfied with this. Alright guys, so if you are interested in giving your vehicle some new LED headlights, I do have a link in the description, and I will be putting out my coupon code somewhere up there. If you want to use my link or use my coupon code is for 15% off, and the link I believe is for 10% off. I'm not sure on how it works, but either way I got a coupon code for you guys, so 15% off. Go check these guys out. For the price, I can't really complain. Hopefully these hold up. I'm trusting all the reviews, and I'll be adding a review myself. So that's going to be my little review video for the still learning the name, Auxito or Auxito, whatever they are called. Now I got them in the Tiguan. Couldn't be happier. I can't wait to try these things out at night. I'm going to be putting some clips in for you guys. I do not have any clips of the halogens, but we all know what yellow halogens look like. They're just your regular old hot halogen, yellow looking old school bulb. So if I were you, I'd definitely upgrade some LEDs. It gives it that white, crispy, nice looking appearance, and they don't run as hot. They run cooler, and I guess they last longer. I don't know. We'll find out. So like I said, go ahead, use my coupon code, and if not, use the link in the description. And I appreciate everybody that is going to use my link. Every little bit helps. Yeah. Hope you guys like the video, and hope you guys like the headlights. Halogen headlights versus LEDs. Dang, them boys is bright. Sheesh.
I need some for my car.
Ooh. Shoo!